To change your Payoneer account to a business account, start by opening any browser on your system and logging into your Payoneer account. Once logged in, click on the Get Paid option located on the left side of your screen. Then select Request a Payment. On this page, you will need to complete 4 steps to upgrade to a business account. While there are multiple ways to access this page, this is the quickest method. The 4 steps include providing information about your business, submitting both sides of your legal identity card, completing visual identity verification via a face verification link sent to your email, and verifying your bank account by submitting a bank statement from the last 30 days. The last 3 steps are straightforward, but for submitting your business profile, follow these instructions. Click on Submit in front of the Business Profile section. First, select the category that best describes your business. For example, entertainment and arts. In the second box, specify your role in the business. Then provide your Doing Business As DBA name, and write a few sentences describing how your business operates. If you have a business website, go ahead and enter its URL into the designated field. If you are a freelancer, copy and paste the link to your freelancing portfolio instead. After that, specify your connection to the provided website. For instance, if you are a freelancer, select the option I manage my page within the website. If you own a website, choose the relevant option. Lastly, if you have any additional websites, select Yes and provide their URLs. Otherwise, choose No and click on Submit. Once all the required information is submitted, Payoneer will review it in time and inform you via email whether your information has been verified. If verified, your account will be successfully converted into a business account.